You hear that? Listen. It's an ice storm. And me and Wiseguy are sleeping on my computer. I don't know if you can see him. Very hot. Well, I'll take a shot here. We got this one going on here. We got the computer RT Russian network covering the city. It's terrific. Nice warm apartment. I'm watching, look at this. Chaos at its best. Everybody's working. Everybody's shoveling. And me and, I don't know if you can see, hello? Hey, you. How are you? You enjoying the show? Yes. He's definitely enjoying the weather with me. It's 8 o'clock in the morning and we're watching the storm. It's hailing now. Oh, ice storm. Oh, fantastic. I love weather. See you later. Bye.